No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
So first, I can't even talk. So first things first here, Opendoor Technologies. Open here. I think look for the breakout. Look for the breakout here above 556. If you want to buy today would be smart. Like buy right now and set a stop loss at the low of yesterday. So set a stop loss at like 5.12, 5.11. Because if this is going to run and break out, the risk to reward is just too good here. It's at 546 right now in after hours. And yeah, look at this. Look at that. I mean, yeah, if you set a stop at the low, it's at 546. Yeah, it's like a 6% stop loss. And if it breaks out, because if the market keeps ripping, man, we're gonna get above the 200 moving average, and we have not been able to get above this, but once we do, I mean, there's potential for 10 to what is that 30%? Yeah, 10 to 30%. What am I blind? Yeah, there's potential for 10 to 20 10 to 20, damn it, I can't even talk. 10 to 30%. So it's a good risk to reward ratio. 6 for it's either 1 for 1 or 1 for 3 depending on how it plays out. So Opendoor Technologies here, great setup, right? Stop loss at 5.11, and let's see if it pumps. If it breaks out, it's gonna go 10-30% real quick. Hi Shade, sup? Was watching an anime called Rent a Girlfriend before you went live. I think I watched the first season of it, and then yeah, I kind of just stopped watching. Yeah, I heard about it. It was like super popular, and I was like, okay, let me just see what this is about. Yeah, not my kind of thing. So I'm more of a dark fantasy, berserk kind of guy, I guess is how I would put it. Not really a rom-com kind of guy. But yeah, Opendoor Technologies, there's the setup. Let me look at the weekly time frame here. Right, we're in a bullish environment, guys. People are forgetting this is a bull market. I don't know why people are bearish in a bull bearish in a bull market. That doesn't make sense at all. Look at that sweet trend line right there. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at that trend line. We have gotten pushed down every single time we come down to this trend line. Like I said, this is a good risk to reward ratio. We break this trend line, this downtrend, and it's super bullish, guys. We're gonna go back to potentially 10. We'll see. I remember people telling me buy it at 10, buy it at 10, and I'm like, I'm not gonna chase this at 10. What am I, an idiot? And I would have held a big bag if I did buy at 10. I remember Subluke. I know Subluke's in the chat right now. I remember when he bought BBAI at around like 950, and I'm like, bro, why are you chasing? You don't want to be flipping. You don't want to be flipping at highs. You want to be flipping at lows. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be buying high either. So I think Opendoor here, fantastic setup. But you look at the market as a whole, there's going to be fantastic setups everywhere because everything's getting ready to go higher. You got the weekly MACD crossover, white line crossing the yellow line, bullish. So I got nothing bad to say about Opendoor Technologies here. Looks fantastic. Like I said, today would be the day to buy before it runs. But set that stop loss in case it doesn't work out because anything can happen. But sellers have just had no power right now. Like sellers are just gone. It's been nothing but buyers. So there you go, guys. That's my analysis on Opendoor. I guess I should make a motivational speech right now. I just want you to think about what I'm about to say, which is if you survived the bear market, you are positioned to make a lot of money in the bull market because you bought everything when it was cheap. That's number one. Number two, at the end of the bull market, you will look back and be like, wow, I really grew my portfolio. And you're going to be excited for the next crash. You're going to be excited for the next dump. And number three, because you've been through the bull and bear market cycles, the fact that you survived the bear market, because a lot of people get destroyed in a bear market, the fact that you survived it means that you can just repeat the same process. Like that's you've already been through both cycles. You can just rinse and repeat the same shit. Like that's it. Just rinse and repeat the same exact shit. That's what it is. And that's all it is. It's just rinse and repeat. Bull market, you take profit. Bear market, dollar cost average under the purple line. Bull market comes around, take profit. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. As long as you are buying good companies with growing revenues, it's just going to be very hard to lose, especially stocks that have a history of always going higher, or who have good recovery strength after a crash, because that's something you have to think about as well. So yeah, you're those of you growing your portfolio, you are doing fantastic, and all you got to do now is just rinse and repeat it year after year. Just do the same shit over and over again, and you will. You've already proven that you can do this. You've already proven that you can trade the shades away. You buy under the purple line. You dollar cost average. You don't overthink it. You don't get scared. You just buy. And then in the bull market, things go up. You make your portfolio grows, from 30K to 50K or whatever, and rinse and repeat for the next 10, 20 years, and you'll get to $1 million depending on it depends on what you're starting with. Obviously, if you're starting with 6 figures, you can get to $1 million faster. But yeah, like it just, you've already proven that you can do this the shade way. So at that point, it's just rinse and repeat, and you're going to be rewarded. As long as you didn't do something stupid along the way, like go all in on calls or something dumb like that. And then just don't be greedy more than anything.